Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix INETERESOURCENOTFOUND error on Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Internet settings. Rename connections key connections X. Close and exit registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.